Hey everyone, I'm Chef Curtis, and we're talking about food as medicine. Hey y'all, it's me, Chef Curtis. Welcome back to the kitchen. I got a friend, my twin brother. Y'all see that? You see the family resemblance? Both of them got nice, you know. This is Chef Matt. I brought Chef Matt in to do a wonderful recipe for us today, featuring an incredible ingredient, the lovely lentil.
And what a beautiful thing they are.
Yeah, they're gorgeous. Now tell us about lentils.
Lentils are awesome. They're cheap. They're high in protein, fiber, low in calorie.
Wow.
And you know, being that higher in fiber item, that's what gives your stomach that full feeling.
Yeah, love that.
And they're easy to cook. So in the soup, we're putting some really basic ingredients in here. You have your carrots. I got diced tomatoes. I got some nice zucchini.
Okay.
And then I have here some chicken base, but you know, when you're going to the grocery store, you can find some stock or bouillon cubes.
Yeah, bouillon, okay.
Which is a little condensed version in cubes. You got celery, onion, you have sweet potatoes, spinach, and of course the star lentils.
Oh yeah, lovely lentils.
And then the garlic and the oil.
And a little bit of olive oil. Now we're not using much olive oil. Can you tell us why what's the deal? Why you cut it down so small?
Well, we really kind of want to drive down the fat. And from a broth soup, it doesn't really benefit putting tons of fat in it.
Well, Chef, we're gonna get to cooking this recipe in a minute or two, and you're gonna show us some chopping techniques. You ready for that?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You want consistency in cooking, so when you're reading a recipe and it says small dice, medium, large, it's important to kind of know how to do those cuts because the size affects the cooking length. And so there's a lot of factors that kind of go into that.
Yes.
So celery, I'm just going to take off the root here. I want to cut it down into manageable sizes. And for the recipe, I believe it's a small dice, which is a 1/4 inch by a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to cut here into smaller size. You want to hold your vegetable or whatever item you're cutting correctly. So they kind of call this, I don't know what, a tiger claw, where you kind of pull your fingers in because you don't want to cut your fingertips off. So you kind of grab your item here.
Tiger claw, I love that, yeah.
And so my knife is going to slide up and down my knuckle.
Ready to make some soup?
Let's do this.
Some lentil minestrone. Let's have fun. Chef Matt.
I know, it smells good, right?
So talk to me about your creation.
It was simple cuts, simple ingredients.
Right.
We didn't really rely on lots of seasoning, so we don't have a lot of sodium in there.
So Chef, thank you for coming to the kitchen. Hope to see you again, my man.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Stick around, more recipes.